Hey everyone, welcome back to Makeup Without Limitations. My eyes are getting better. Take a look. Just a short video with some empties. I'm gonna break them up because I have had empties since January and I was gonna do them before my surgery, but then didn't have a chance to. So for hair, these are my empties. I have the Sauce Beauty and I have no contacts. I'm testing my eyes because they're getting better and better every day. So I will put the glasses for some things, but some things I can actually see without the glasses. And it says leave-in conditioner and detangler, calming cucumber, nourishing yogurt, and coconut oil. This is a leave-in, and it comes in a spray bottle. I used it, loved it. If I were to repurchase, I would repurchase this. This is very, very good. I'm surprised for the price. I bought it like $14.99. It works wonders. So that's one hair product. The second hair product that I used up is called African Pride Moisture Miracle Aloe and Coconut Water Pre-Poo Detangler Conditioner. I love this. If you have natural hair and it's a little coarse, and every time you shampoo you get tangles, see if you can find this. It's empty. It smells really, really nice. It has a nice smell. See if you can find this. Pre-poo your hair first and then do all your regular stuff and see if you see a difference. So these are my two empties for hair products. Thank you all again for watching. Please remember to hype this video, share it with someone else, and as always remember you are first. And my I am for today is that I am a conqueror. I am a conqueror. See you soon.